I'm Dr. Sridhar. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're enjoying the videos that have been shared so far. I have a request. Please do subscribe to the channel, as your subscribing motivates me. And please do like and comment on the videos as possible. The MCQ series continues and I hope you're enjoying it. Which of these will support your decision to start CPAP compared to needing intubation and ventilation? So we have the option of either starting CPAP or intubating and ventilating. So which among these will show you that you can go with CPAP? So one is adequate respiratory effort with a normal tone for the baby. The second point is PCO2 on the blood gas of 65 millimeter mercury. Probably it's a day 1 baby. The third point is FiO2 needing 0.6 FiO2 to maintain saturation, and the baby has recurrent apnea and desaturation. So I'll pause for a few seconds. So again, this is an easy question, and obviously the first choice is the most important here. Unless the baby has an adequate respiratory drive, the CPAP or non-invasive ventilation isn't going to work. So if the baby has a good drive, you look further to see if the other criteria are met and whether you can maintain the baby. The other criteria here are obviously not suitable. A very high CO2 on the first day means there is a respiratory failure, and the baby, it's ABG as well. So you need to support the baby. FiO2 of 0.6 means the baby needs surfactant if it is RDS, and obviously needs intubation ventilation if it's another pathology like meconium aspiration. Recurrent apnea and desaturation indicate there is a central component the baby is not going to maintain adequately on his own. So it comes back to the inadequate effort part. So these three choices are obviously wrong, and the first choice is the right one. Please do like this video and please do share with colleagues. I hope you like the MCQ series. You can review the whole list of MCQs in the playlist which is shared as well. Thank you.